Color. It's the first language we learn long before we speak. It surrounds us, shapes us, and silently influences everything we do. From the moment we open our eyes, color is present, guiding our emotions, decisions, and connections. Yet for most of us, its immense power remains untapped and underestimated. At the Color Institute, we're here to change that. Color isn't just what meets the eye, it's a tool, a strategy, and a transformative force capable of revolutionizing every aspect of life and business. I'm Michelle Lewis, founder of the Color Institute and author of Color Secrets, Learning the One Universal Language We Were Never Taught. My work has been featured in outlets like TEDx, Clinical Advisory, the New York Post, MSN, Yahoo, and Inc., where I've shared insights on how color profoundly shapes our world. My journey into color psychology began with a fascination for how color impacts us. From the physicality of how our bodies respond to different frequencies of light, to emotional and even mental responses, ways we don't even consciously notice. Over the years, I've witnessed how intentional use of color can transform industries, empower individuals, and inspire change. That's why I founded the Color Institute, to create a space where psychology, science, creativity, and strategy converge to unlock the true potential of color. At the heart of our mission is color psychology, the study of how color influences human behavior, perception, and emotion. When used intentionally, color has the power to evoke trust, inspire action, and foster connection. It shapes the brands we trust, the spaces where we feel safe, and the leaders we follow. Despite its universal impact, few understand how to harness it effectively. That's where the Color Institute comes in, to transform how the world sees, uses, and values color. We have developed the only universal framework to correctly interpret the influence of color psychology and actually apply it to any industry worldwide. What sets the Color Institute apart is its universal relevance. Color psychology applies to everyone in all corners of the world. Imagine a future where color psychology is integrated into healthcare, education, technology, and sustainability. In a digital world where virtual experiences dominate, understanding color's influence on user engagement is critical. By staying at the forefront of research and innovation, the Color Institute is shaping a future where color becomes a cornerstone of progress. We've seen the results. Businesses that incorporate color psychology into their branding achieve higher conversion rates and deeper customer loyalty. Professionals who use color intentionally in their wardrobe report increased confidence and influence. Designers applying color psychology create spaces that don't just look appealing, they feel transformative. These success stories are proof of what's possible when you understand and apply the principles of color psychology. The future of color psychology is bright, and we're proud to lead the way. We envision a world where color is recognized as a fundamental tool for innovation, communication, and growth. A world where businesses thrive, environments inspire, and individuals step into their full potential by harnessing the power of color. The Color Institute isn't just an educational platform, it's a movement. We call it the Color Revolution, and it's all about using color to create a more communicative and impactful world. Whether you're looking to advance your career, improve your interpretation of color psychology, or even step into a new way of looking at life, there's a place for you here. Getting started is simple. Visit the Color Institute to explore our courses, workshops, and free resources. Join a global community of creators, leaders, and change makers who are using color psychology to make an impact. Together, we can redefine what's possible, one shade at a time. Color is our only universal language, and yet so few of us speak it. Join us in learning how to correctly interpret color psychology and implement it into industries worldwide. Let's shape the future vibrantly, intentionally, and boldly. Welcome to the Color Institute.